Hi people, welcome to gamefishpro. Today we're going to show you how to cast a rod, a real closed face. This is our lure slash bait, which just so happens to be a piece of noodle. Going to hook it in like you would hook on a bait. Now you always want to make sure that everything's nice and loose. You want to be able to press that button and it drops pretty free. That way you make sure you got a smooth cast. If you got any hiccups in there doing that, your cast is not going to be great. So, we'll try to get this done. How you cast the pole is this is your release button. This is your tension, so you can tighten your tension and make the drag tighter. This is your handle, so you can reel in your fish. And also, as you can see, I got bait clicker on this. This is an ugly stick Shakespeare catfish rod. I'm a catfish. This is what I do. We'll wait for this car to pass and then we'll show you how to cast. Okay. We want to start out in this position. You want to have your finger resting on top of the button, release button. And all you simply want to do is swing the rod forward. And as you cast forward in the forward motion, you press the button and release the line at the same time. Give me just a second. Let me go at this car path. And now we go. Oh, as you can see, got it stuck. All right, we didn't test it. That's a hiccup. Place to do it from. Alright, let's try it again. Press the button, release. As you can see, you get a nice distance. You just have to make sure that your casting is smooth to start with. Reel it in. Try to get your sinker as close to the tip again. You want to make sure most of your weight is as close to the tip as you can, so when you load the pole, that you get a good cast out of it. Let the weight throw itself. Press the button on the release. There you see, that's how you cast a closed face rod and reel. Thanks for watching gamefishpro. Y'all have a good day. Okay, welcome to part 2 of how to prepare your rod and reel, a closed face rod and reel. This is a Shakespeare catfish rod, ugly stick. What we're doing is, when you go out, if you've been using your rod and reel, to get the best cast you can get out of your rod and reel, unwind the whole rod and reel and walk it back in. So what we're going to do is I'm going to use my fishing stand slash spooler. It holds my fishing line, and I can also spool my rod and reel. I'm going to press the release button. That's going to disengage, and then I'm going to walk backwards until I walk all the line out. Now you want to walk all the line out until you get all the way out to the end, so you can reel it back in. And it gets all the tangles out, and you can start fresh, so you can have a good time. So as you can see, there's quite a bit of line on here, so I'm probably going to have to walk back a little bit. as I walk back, I can feel some of the tangles. A lot of beat. As you can see, my stand holds up because I can walk pretty far down this street, and that stand's going to stay standing holding that line and that hook. Now hopefully I'm getting to the end of this line. And you definitely want to do this at the beginning of your fishing season. See? That line unhooked. So I hit the end of it. So what I'm going to do is open up the top. And that's your inside of it. Set that down here. Since I got my line almost came out of it, I'm going to have to re-thread it back through the eyelets. So, it's 1, there's 2, 3, 4, and 5. And there's the last one. Now, if you wouldn't have knew that, a fish would have took you all the way to the end of your string and ran off with it. Now, what I like to do, I just like a twist, tie a simple fisherman's knot, basic, nothing exciting. Be on the lookout for future videos from me. I will show you how to do a fisherman's knot right now. We're just twisting, running it up underneath, tighten it down, and then tie a surgeon's knot. You tie, and then you tie over again, up underneath, and then you wrap around one more time, and then tighten that down. Now that should be good to go. Now, what we want to do, actually where we messed up, pop the line, because I didn't put it through the top. Don't make that mistake or you'll be doing this twice. So, here we go again. Thread it through. Your top backwards. The same way it would come out. Just put it in the same way backwards, and so it goes in. Now, tie your knot. Kind of like you tie your shoe. Run it up and under. Get that first one tight. I'll do it again. And if you want to get fancy, there we go. Now I'll pop that rest of that line here in a second. Cut it off. Alright, now throw it backwards. Now it's ready for casting. I don't know if I still have my little casting toy out here. I left it. We'll do it. Remember, we unwind code. Don't pay attention to this extra string. I'll go and cut that out later. For now, the cast. Hold it back. Toss. Nice, smooth, even cast. No cut off. Get it reeled in. And that's how you cast a closed face, aka button, rod and reel. Y'all have a good afternoon.